Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Indus YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna to do weekly analysis as well as intraday analysis for 27 February market as well. At the end of this particular video, I'm gonna to show you some important concept on moving averages by how we can see that. So if you watch the video till end, you can also learn that concept, which going to be a very important. If you learn that, going to be help uh, add some value to your trading as well. So now without wasting any time, let's see weekly analysis. If we see Nifty, you can see we got a big bearish candle last week, and you can see here. Now this week I am expecting this particular important level 17,353 because it is the budget day low. You can see here. Let me shift to daily time frame for that, and you can clearly see here this particular candle is on budget days candles. You can see February 1st. So this candle low, the important is if you see continuous, we got red candles in the daily time frame. You can see here, of course you can say this is as a halt candle, but overall if you see it's closed in negative, right? But if you see continuous 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7th candles, you can see 7 trading days we almost closed in losing side in Nifty. So obviously, if this particular budget day low, if it hold this Nifty, then obviously we can see some short covering from here, or else if this level also breaches out, then we are going to see 17,041 as the next support as per this particular situation. And coming to, there are also some levels, as I said, we are going to also discuss about that. But if you see, let me switch to 30 minutes time frame for better understanding. So these are the levels and this is budget days low. Okay, let me also minimize it. So this particular level is budget days low, and if we get any price action here, and if you see market sustaining here, Nifty sustaining above this line, then obviously you can expect some short covering up to these levels 17,684 and 17,636. And if a 1 hour candle, if a hourly candle sustain above this, then obviously we can see 17,852 and 18,122 as the next level if this particular level sustains. So here my bias is negative as of now, and I am even carrying short positions for Monday. I will show you why, the reason, what is the logic behind that. As in the concepts, I also want to teach you the concept that also helps you a lot. So in this particular zone, my price action Monday, what I am expecting is, if it opens negative, yes, as of now the global market indicates that we may see a gap down opening. If so, this level going to help a lot, because if this level sustains, we can see a short covering move up to here, and even this level supports, we can see market moving higher. But as of now my view is bearish, but definitely if you want to know which side I am trading and my trading updates, I usually give updates in my Telegram channel. If you have not yet joined the Telegram channel, join the Indus Trader Telegram channel, where I share my view and trade logic chats. And you can see here I have shared the chart and my particular bias holding shorts. I also give update through the audio messages. And you can see I have also given some levels. Exactly, we got a rejection from our level, the level which I have discussed here. And you can see I also update here booked shorts. Whenever I book, all the updates I usually give in this Telegram channel. So, and coming to, I have one more Telegram channel which is premium channel, where I share more tuned levels. Like you can see here, I have shared more tuned level. So in this way I also share the levels, and I also share messages to the premium members. To, in order to join the premium channel, it's very easy. Just open one Demat account using any of these links, and complete your trade and send your details to this particular number through the WhatsApp, and within 24 to 48 hours you will be added to the closed group. So now let's go back to our levels. So the Nifty plan is very simple until and unless for this week my plan especially for Monday is if until and unless 30 minutes candle two candles sustain above this level, I am maintaining my view as bearish, and I will also trade only on negative setups. And once we get a rejection, if I get rejection from this level, again I will go short with the small stop loss, and this is going to be my target. And as I said, this level going to decide this week's candle. So now let's see bank nifty. So yes guys, even in the bank nifty, if you see, we got a big bearish candle, but if you see, it's somewhere much closer to that low. It's much closer to the budget low compared to nifty. If you see, even at least in the bank nifty we got a rejection candle here. At least you can see a doji candle which is in green color, but in nifty I have shown you continuously we got bigger candles on the bearish side. Let me show you nifty as well. If you see the nifty, you can see here one, two, three, four, five, six, seven continuous red candles. But we can say bank nifty here. If you see same scenario, bank nifty, we got one doji candle here, and remaining everything is same. So coming to bank nifty, what are my levels and what is my trade plan? Very simple. If you see this particular low, we have two levels here. One is 39,567 and 39,462. This both levels, if these both levels hold a candle like this, if we get any rejection from this level, then you can go long up to this particular levels for Monday. If these particular levels also give a, if 30 minutes candle close above these levels, to 30 minutes candle sustain above that, again you can go for 40,938 as the target. But if you see at the present situation, let me switch to 30 minutes time frame for easy understanding. You can see again this particular trend line. I have given you a trend line here. You can see above this trend line, usually the traditional price action people go long. You should not do that because we have given you the levels. These levels only you should go long above these levels. Until that, make sure if between this particular zones, don't trade in between this. Try to trade at the bottom of these levels or at top of these levels. If you are going on buy side, I suggest you to go with 50% of your quantity. If you are going on sell side, you can use your quantity as per the day, as usual quantity you do. So if you see this particular trend line is rejecting, so you should not get trapped. Like we may get a candle here and we may get a candle here, and then suddenly we get rejection, and we may see a sudden big candle towards this. So make sure in intraday don't get trapped to this. Try to watch out these levels. And also as I said, I will update tuned levels. Premium members get more tuned levels compared to the general channel, but general channel also I update the levels as well. But Monday plan for bank nifty is very simple. The plan is very simple. Below this particular red lines, we're going to maintain our bias as short, and all remaining levels you can see here. And coming to also, I have brought crude oil for you. Let's see the crude oil as well. And these levels we have discussed earlier as well in our live sessions. If you have attended, you would know this. These levels are drawn in the live session as well. But if you see this particular, we are seeing some pattern here. If you see, but this particular two levels going to be a very important resistance for now. So below these levels, I'm expecting again, until and unless this particular range breaks, then I'm expecting crude oil to trade in this sideways only. So make sure this is weekly analysis for tune levels. If you want crude oil, if you are trading, if you want levels on crude oil as well, commodity market as well, comment below, so that if you show interest in this, then I'm gonna to also get more natural gas and all other commodity levels, whatever you are trading. And some members have also asked about Nifty. Let us know if you are also trading in Nifty, so we can also provide the levels in Nifty as well. So now the important part, the reason why I have closed the levels very fast is there is a concept which I want to teach in this weekly analysis itself. Yes, we're going to also make a separate dedicated video on this, but as of now, just I want to explain you here. This is EMA. In the old traditional way, in the earlier days, people used to use MES, SMA, simple moving average, but somewhere now I am giving importance to EMA. And this, yes, this is the one process I was working on, and I got some good results. So that's the reason I am saying this. And particular S&P of US markets also closed below 200 EMA, and if you see our Nifty also, we got close below 200 EMA. So 200 EMA, people see this for long term perspective or long term trend, you can say. And if you see Bank Nifty also, we got a closing below 200 EMA. So usually how we do analysis in daily time frame. We give 20, 50, 50, 100 and 200 EMA. Okay, so here tentative is like if 20 EMA breaks and if not holding this level, there is high probability it touch again 50 EMA and same repeats up to 200. But if you see after breaching 200 EMA, there are also some concepts where we go to higher time frame and we can track this again. And so I'm gonna to also give homework as well for this. So yes, I going to switch to weekly time frame because 200 EMA also broke in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Now at present, if you see, we got breakdown for 20 EMA and taking support at 50 EMA now. So this 50 EMA, if it's able to give the support for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, you can note down these levels. This is going to be very important levels. If this particular level is not 17,430 is not holding the Nifty, then obviously we can keep we going to target for 16,546, which is this particular 100 EMA. 100 weekly EMA. So 100 weekly EMA is very important, very important. You can see that if this particular 100 weekly EMA, you can also backtest this 100 weekly EMA. After that, we can see a good rally, and if this gives 100 weekly EMA, you can see here. After getting support, you can see the rally here, and you can backtest. The homework is very simple. The homework is for you to watch out this 100 weekly EMA. So you can see here after at the time of COVID fall, you can see 100 weekly EMA got broke, and you can see it took a lot of time again back to recover. And it this particular situation, we got a breakout, and you can see we got a retest to same weekly 100 EMA, and thereafter you can see the rally. So that is very important in the weekly time frame. You can see after that, this is the after that particular closing, we got a close here, but it did not sustain below that because if a candle close, we have to see whether it will sustain or not. If you see here, this particular low is not breached. At least next candle should close below this low. So thereafter we will plan for that, but as of now you can see it just approaching 20 EMA, and if not, we will discuss once it reach 100 EMA. But as of now, global markets showing negative opening for Monday, but let's see, and just make sure you stay active in Telegram channel as well as YouTube channel, because these are the only two mediums where we update everything. So make sure, I hope you like the levels. If if you like the video, please do support by liking the video and share to your friends. And also make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel for latest and important updates on stock market. Uh, by tomorrow or like by next week, we also going to get a video on energy sector. We're gonna to give make a dedicated master playlist on sector analysis. In that, we're gonna to start with green energy. So see you again in the next video. Until then, we are signing off. Jai Hind.